If you've been asked to speak at a conference, a graduation ceremony, or you have a group presentation coming up and you're not quite sure how to behave when delivering your presentation, then I have 3 public speaking tips just for you. Hello, and welcome. I am super excited to have you here. My name is Sel, and in this channel, we explore the strategies and the tools to help you design your own world. A world where you're not afraid to show up, speak up, and strategically get into action long before you feel ready. If you haven't subscribed yet, then hit that subscribe button to get notified every single time that I post a new video. In this video, I'll be sharing 3 public speaking tips to help you make a long-lasting impression whenever you speak publicly. Let's dive in. Tip number 1 is define the purpose of your speech or talk. Before you create any PowerPoint presentation or PowerPoint slide, or even think of drafting your speech, let's put first things first. Define the purpose of your speech, because a good speech needs to have a point. If you have no idea what the point of your speech is, ask yourself these 4 simple questions. Who will you be addressing? Why are you speaking to this specific group? How do you want them to feel? What do you want them to do as a result of hearing your speech? Only start to draft your speech once you're crystal clear what the purpose of your talk is. Only start to draft your presentation once you understand your topic and the purpose of that presentation. Please, don't be fooled into believing that public speaking is all about having these big and super complicated words. Don't be fooled into thinking that you can distract your audience with videos, pictures, and data on the big screen, because nothing could be further from the truth. You can have a mind-blowing presentation without any of that, without a single PowerPoint slide, because the beauty of your speech lies in your message. When I was a university student, I used to think that complicated words made me sound smarter when I was presenting. So I basically tried to sound like my essays. I tried to sound academic whenever I was speaking, and it felt so unnatural. But I kept on doing that because I thought that complicated words made me sound smarter. And that, my friends, couldn't be further from the truth. Tip number 2 is bring your best energy into that room. That, my friend, is the secret sauce to making a positive first impression with your audience. Before I record any video, walk on any stage, or deliver a workshop, I make sure that I bring my best energy to that room with me. The other day, I had a coaching client ask me this. Hey, Sel, don't you have days when you wake up on the wrong side of the bed and you just don't feel like presenting? To which I replied, of course I do, but I just shake it off before I get to see my audience. Always, and I mean always, start your presentation or talk on a positive note and with a smile, because your smile has the capacity to warm up the room, to warm up your audience's hearts. Whether you believe this or not, you can bring calm and reassurance to the room with your presence. Don't you just love being around someone who has it all under control, isn't stressed or super agitated? Imagine this: if you sound completely clueless and you're clearly agitated and uncomfortable while you're presenting, you're passing those negative vibes to your audience without even realizing it. Your introduction is your golden key to unlock your audience's hearts. Your introduction is your first opportunity to connect with your audience. And unlike the body of your presentation, where you can have different parts or different ideas linked to it, you can only have one introduction. A good starting point for you to create a great introduction is to put yourself in your audience's shoes. What do you both have in common? What do you both care about? What can you both be grateful for? Once you figure that out, make sure to use that common ground in your introduction. That way, you can maximize your chances of creating a great connection with your audience and bringing your best energy into that room. Tip number 3, which also happens to be the last tip, is stand tall and take your humility with you. Many of us don't realize how much of a difference our posture actually makes. Superheroes in movies or cartoons often look super confident because they stand tall. They stand tall enough for us to like them, but not too tall to seem unapproachable or arrogant. Meaning their chin isn't up in the sky, giving us the impression of an arrogant person. When you practice your presentation in front of a mirror or a camera, make sure to keep an eye on your posture. Being conscious of your posture will remind you to correct it once you start to slouch or look crooked. Now that you know how you can create a good and long-lasting first impression whenever you deliver a presentation, I really think it's a good idea to speak to your audience in an authentic way. That's why I've created this free guide with 12 powerful questions to help you speak more authentically. You know what they say, anyone can deliver a presentation, but no one can be you. And that, my friend, is your superpower. So use it. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you have, be sure to subscribe, share with a friend, and hit that like button so I can continue making more videos like this just for you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next one.
To book Sell for a keynote or workshop, go to www.sellamard.com/speaking